Hi folks, Dr. Leitner here, and welcome to English 222, Intro to Shakespeare. This video is going to be a short introduction, hopefully less than 2 minutes, of an introduction to the course and where to find everything and where to turn in everything. So first thing you will see when you log in are the announcements, and I'll be putting out maybe one of these per week, maybe a little more towards the beginning. But you do need to make sure to log into the course every day and check your email every day. The next link you'll see over here on the left side of Blackboard is the syllabus and schedule, and you need to read that. Obviously, the syllabus has all my policies, and the schedule has all the due dates, and there's quite a few instructions on the syllabus, the schedule as well. So we've got 4 plays. And we've got about 12 different assignments. So those are the basics of the course, and some extra instructions in there as well. There are links to readings for all the plays. I'm also asking you to buy some inexpensive paperbacks. They're around $6 each of each play. And but there's links to readings which have the same line numbers that are in your books. And I also have links to videos, free videos for each play, for the full text of the play, available for free through the library's website. I highly recommend you watch each of these in one, not all of them in one sitting, but pick a play, sit down when you have enough time, and I put the amount of time for each one on there, where you can watch the whole playthrough in one sitting, and it's going to help you understand and wrap your mind around how the play works. So you're going to turn everything in on the discussion board and the wiki assignment. So there's 2 wiki assignments and 10 discussion board assignments. So guys, I'm very open to feedback, very open to questions. So if you have issues, please let me know. Thank you very much and welcome to the course.